Sapaad Direct Lite is a QR code-based digital menu for your store. It allows your customers the convenience of accessing your in-store menu directly through their phones by scanning displayed QR codes posted all around your establishment. In this video, we'll help you set up your Sapaad Direct Lite in just a few simple steps. To set up Sapaad Direct Lite, follow these steps. First, setting the primary brand colors. Log into your Sapaad account with your credentials. Go to Setup, Sapaad Add-ons, Sapaad Direct. Set the primary brand color to complement your restaurant's brand colors for all your locations. Great! Click Save. Next, enabling Sapaad Direct Lite. Go to Setup, Location Setup, and click on the appropriate location for Sapaad Direct Lite. Go to Self-Ordering Systems, Sapaad Direct. Click Generate QR to continue. That's great. You've successfully set up a QR code for this location's digital menu. You can click on Download QR where your QR code is saved for use on digital displays, or open Print Ready QR for a higher resolution copy to print on tabletop stands, store posters, or anywhere you want. And finally, select your menu items. Go to Setup, Location Setup, and click on the appropriate location. Go to Self-Ordering Systems, Sapaad Direct. Here, on the Menu tab, you can select which items will appear in your Sapaad Direct Lite digital menu by clicking on the Availability tick box. You can either click on the category to get your menu item, or type in your menu item in the Search Dish input box. When you're done, click on Save Category. To learn how to place images for menu items, go to our tutorial Adding Menu Items in Sapaad on our Sapaad Academy channel. Congratulations! We've now set up your Sapaad Direct Lite in a few easy steps. Setting the look for Sapaad Direct Lite, enable Sapaad Direct Lite, selecting menu items. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.